YouTube, but bring it back again, y'all. Coming at you with a brand new product. Actually, release day is tomorrow, so this is the first look of 2017 Optic baseball. But I actually got this delivered to me early, so we're gonna bust it. But also on top of it, I got a free pack with this purchase of 2 boxes. I got 15, 16 NBA hoops. I just busted it because I'm like, what's the chance there's gonna be anything in it? But I want to show you guys what I got. 2015 Panini Hoops Redemption Red Hot Signatures number 59. Kobe Bryant! Boom! 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 Sorry, guys. I was so excited that almost, pretty much pays for these boxes already of this hot product. This stuff's going to be nasty. I actually couldn't get any from my distributor. So I paid retail, but the price of this is going to go up because with Judge and Bellinger and Benintendi. It's crazy this year. 2017 product. Hopefully we get a hot box. This comes with 2 autos. But just like last year, you can get hot boxes with 5 autos. Or numbered hot boxes with 20 numbered. Last year didn't do as good, but a lot of it I think was the rookie class. This rookie class is just nasty. So let's see what we got. I'm trying to do this quick because I don't know how long my phone's going to hold up. Jose Abreu. Longoria, Braden Shipley, refractor, and this might be a numbered hot box because this is a red. Where's the number? Diamond Kings Daniel Murphy, maybe not because it's not numbered. I thought because of being red it'd be numbered. Haha, just an insert. Sweet. So we probably don't have a numbered hot box because with the numbered hot box you get a number card in every pack. Hopefully we pull a Judge. That's the most important thing. Low numbered parallel. Or Bellinger or something. Molina. Riz. I love Don Ross baseball this year. This one's numbered 55 of 149. Very nice. Alex Reyes. Rookie refractor. And a Diamond Kings... Maybe they have a Diamond Kings every pack. That's Mark Trumbo. Sorry, first time seeing this. I haven't seen anybody else have this. I saw a few cards on eBay. Justin Verlander. Cespedes refractor. Or what do they call it? Optic. I don't know. The Mick. Here we go. Here's one of those Mickey Mantle cards. Very nice. Trying to sort a little bit. We got a Josh Bell rookie. Let's separate the rookies, even though the others were refractors. Got Mickey Mantle on the box and the packs. Hope you guys are seeing this right because I'm trying to go so quick. Got home from work. I got to get cleaned up quick, and then I'm going to my buddy showing me how to do brakes on my car. So I've never done that. Trey Turner. D. Gordon, Diamond Kings Dexter Fowler. The color's throwing me off thinking it's red. That's like a refractor. This one's not a refractor. See? Oh. Diamond Kings Jonathan Villar. We'll put the refractor on. I really like these cards. It stinks they don't have the logos. Matt Kemp, Andrew McCutchen, but they're very nice. Justin Verlander, Diamond Kings, refractor. Luke Weaver, rated rookie. Couldn't believe this was actually shipped to me a day early, which is awesome. Sterling Marte. Joey Votto, Christian Yelich, Diamond Kings, and Robinson Cano. Nice we get a hot pack box out of one of these. It's kind of cool. But all matters what you get, Adrian Beltre. Jose Batista. Looks like we got our first hit. Optic autographs, Ivan Nova for Pittsburgh. That's different. Autographs up top. Ivan Nova. I don't actually know who that is, so it is a sticker. So we got our first auto. Hernandez, rookie. I already mixed up how I was sorting. Still a chance at a hot box. But probably unlikely. Oh, but maybe. Miguel Sano. Albert Pujols. Fernando Valenzuela. Masters of the Game. And Alex Bregman. No judge sighting jugs. Or Bellinger. I don't think Bellinger has a lot in this, but Judge has quite a bit. Jose Altuve. Ken Griffey Jr. There we go. Nice one, too. It's a silver. Aaron Judge, silver rookie refractor. Not numbered, but very nice. Our first Judge. Diamond Kings, Nolan Arenado. Halfway through, we do have a Judge. Dexter Fowler, Michael Fulmer, Troy Tulowitzki, Diamond Kings, refractor, and Gregory Polanco. Carlos Correa, Xander Bogaerts, Addison Russell. I like these cards. I forget what they're called. That's a cool insert. And Dansby Swanson, rookie. That's nice. At least we got a Judge. And it's not just the base. It is the rated rookie refractor, so that is cool. Chris Davis. Javier Baez. Justin Verlander, Diamond Kings refractor. And Corey Seager, Diamond Kings. Don't think we have a hot box, guys. I think we have one more chance. Stephen Piscotty. Elite Series Buster Posey. This should be numbered, I would think. And I think we just hit something nasty. This isn't numbered. But holy crap, I think we got our second hit. Oh my gosh, my hand started shaking. Aaron Judge, baby! On card! Rated rookie! Boom! Boom! It's not numbered, but that is sick. Nice. I got a Kobe and an Aaron Judge. Holy crap. Sorry, guys. That's a hot box without that. I mean, I like that kind of hotness. Gonzalez, Murphy, Yan Moncada, refractor, rookie. And my phone's about to die. My battery. So I guess we'll just try to finish this box. Yelich, Hernandez, refractor. So far, I think we only got one numbered card, though. Carson Fulmer, the rookies. Mitch Haniger, rated rookie. Which is kind of crazy to me. But I'm happy. Edwin Encarnacion. Stanton. Oh, here's another number card. We got Robinson Cano. Number to 299. And Trey Mancini, rookie. Nick Markakis, Gregory Polanco, Mejia, rated rookie, and Giolito. Oh, I can't believe I hit a Judge and I got a freaking Bryant. Boom, boom. Frazier. Sandberg refractor, that's nice. And a Dominator, Chris Davis. Not numbered. Ian Happ, graded rookie. This is nice, baby. Kevin Kamier. George Springer. Mike Trout, refractor Diamond King. That's nice. And Joey Votto, Diamond King. This is a nice box. Just 2 number cards, though. That's crazy. Frank Thomas. Chris Bryant. Here's a 3rd number card. Miguel Cabrera to 299, I think. I like the way these look. The color looks better than last year. And Renato Nunez. All right, guys, that is a sick box. Tell me what you think. Rate, subscribe, share. I got another box, but my phone's got to charge. I'm out. See ya.